Chevy Malibu here. You see what happens over time if you don't address your headlights. It's breaking down inside the light. You see the tearing of the chrome. Okay, here we go. This is the before. Desperate need of a headlight restoration. Pretty obvious here. But the driver's side, you're going to see internally the chrome is peeling off the plastic. You see that? On the top right there. Nothing you can do about that. Nothing you can do. It's on the inside. Look at this. How awesome is that? How awesome is that? Broward Headlight Restoration. We service Broward County, Florida, Palm Beach County, Miami-Dade County. We are mobile. We come to you. We come to your home or office. Call us today to set up an appointment. Text us a picture of your headlights. 754-302-0769. Thank you.